How to turn off overdraft protection on a Wells Fargo account. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for wellsfargo.com, and just like that, sign in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged into your account, go to Accounts section and look for Manage Accounts. Then simply select Add or Change Overdraft Services, and on the next page you will see your current overdraft settings. If overdraft protection is enabled, simply select the option to change or remove the service and follow the on-screen instruction. Keep in mind, Wells Fargo offers different types of overdraft services. Some only covers ATM and one-time debit card transaction, while other may also cover checks, bill payments, and recurring transaction. Review the option carefully and choose the settings that best fits your needs. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.